Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another edition of Yes You Can. This is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your engine compartment my way. Project Dodge Dakota, engine bay. Yep, hasn't been touched in 12 years. Let's see what we can do. I like to keep it pretty simple when I do an engine, so have your liquid gunk handy, nitrite gloves, and an automotive scrub brush. That'll do most of the damage. Don't be shy when using the gunk on the engine compartment. I try to keep it off of the fenders, but honestly I've never had a problem with the degreaser attacking the paint in any way, shape, or form. If you encounter some tough spots in the engine compartment, don't worry. Just scrub them as best you can, move on, and then come back. You might have to do that 2 or 3 times. Once the whole engine's been worked over and scrubbed, you'll notice that the gunk is starting to kind of dissipate. At that point, I'll take a second can of gunk and spray it all over again. That second can not only washes down the first layer of grime and gunk, but it also puts on a layer of fresh solvent for those really tough spots. Once you're happy with your work, it's time to rinse. At this point, I like to dry everything off so I don't have to wait to apply the engine dressing.
So I'm just using a plain old green pad right here, and I'm going to hit some of these surfaces, some of them that have a little bit of extra corrosion on it.
Although not generally used as an engine dressing, I used Back to Black, and it worked out really well on this project. As you can see, it does take some time and effort to get an engine to look as nice as this, but once you've got it clean, maintenance on it is so much easier.
Okay, I think we're going to call it a day as far as the engine is concerned. So here's the before.
And here's the after. You know the drill. Leave any questions or comments below, and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys next time.